this is the part 2 to my previous video with my car decoration. I was gonna go ahead and share some of the new things I've got from since the last video and what you're gonna see later on. So this here, and I will insert links in the description below of everything that I have. So this here, I have the like these rogue stickers. So this is kind of what you're gonna put in the seal of the door. Kind of, just protect the, that ledge from like scuff marks and scratches and all that type of sorts of things. And it's cute and, shows the car's name. Yeah. So I got all of this stuff in here. Here, I got my steering wheel cover. I kind of added some pillows in my car, which you'll see later on in the video. Kind of gonna match this color. So let's see. They've not opened anything yet. Let's get this open. Hopefully no scratch. So this is the steering wheel cover here. So we're really shape right now, and we're gonna hope and pray that this will get on the steering wheel. So I've had this for quite a bit. I ordered this stuff quite a bit ago. And then right here, so right here I got the little multifunctional trash bin that you'll put in the car. It does come in different colors. I believe I got this in black. So let me double check this again. I kind of got this a little while ago because I was just kind of getting stuff here and there. Alright, so here it is. It kind of comes with this clip. Let me see. Oh, it gets a little air to kind of slide in, I'm assuming. And it's like push. And a great thing about this, as you open it, so it does come with trash bars. And so here's the attachment for the clip. So I will show that later when I do the install. As I guess to kind of slide it into that little pocket space on the side of your door. So that's very helpful to know it comes with trash bags. And I'm sure you can order, let's just say replacement trash bags from Amazon. And one of the most things I'm actually super excited to install, this here is like a little storage bin that I got for my trunk space. It's comes with like multiple little baskets and I believe a little cooler type of space, so you can keep cold items in there. So let's try to get this open. This is the type of packaging it comes in. So let's get this more open. Alright, sorry about that. I was recording on my iPhone, but it ran out of space, so couldn't recording with my iPad. So anyway, this is the packaging again, and this is the brand of the storage space for the trunk. So, scissors. Alright, so here it is. Just one of the little pockets, I'm assuming. So let's see. So we have. Okay. Oh, I think this might be the cover, I'm assuming, for the cooler part. Possibly. So let's see this out. So I guess it has like these little kind of like things that snap together. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna bring it up more in the camera once I unfold this. Okay, so here it is. Put it inside. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, and they have these pockets on both sides. So, you see it kind of has that hard top, so it's very secure. In this space, again, oh, it comes out. So you have this little pocket space here. And, let's see. This pouch, it has a strap. So let's see how this is. So we have this little, oh, okay. So that's the cooler space right here. I guess we can kind of maybe squeeze it in here like so. Close it like that. I can possibly just put it off to the side. So I believe there's, you know, multiple purposes on how I can do this. But it comes with this little pocket here. But I feel like this is very useful because you can just take it straight out with your drinks if you like going to a picnic or whatever the case is. Maybe if you work a job that you're outside a lot, and just take it to go with you. And this is just kind of the little features that this have. It's kind of telling you what it can do and its uses. This came inside of it. So, okay, you can fit like a capacity of 24 cans, you know, if that's what you want. So that's cool to know. Alright, so these are going to be the stuff that I'm going to be showing you, putting in the car, plus some little stuff I did already add. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so before we get into the things I just showed, I want to show really quick these little pillows. I was telling you how the steering wheel is going to kind of match the color in a sense that I got for my, you know, drivers and passenger seat. Aren't they so cute? And I also didn't get to show my little keychains. So I got Nezuko from Demon Slayer, and then I got this cute little boba tea from this boba spot I like to go to. Alright, so we're going to start with the trunk area. Let me slide this up. Remember, I kind of got all this stuff here. So, we're going to get this all together, okay? So I'm going to move this off to the side. So it's kind of dark, but I just wanted to kind of get all this footage on in one day. So I'm gonna do this end. I'm gonna put the blankets right here on this end. So I like to just, you know, keep blankets in my car just in case if I get cold or any of my passengers get cold. Then it's a pillow I use for work, so I'm gonna just kind of stuff this in here for now. And I'll stuff this little towel I use for work as well. And then this jacket, I just like to keep in here. Just in case if for whatever reason I didn't have a jacket and you know, I got cold or something. It's back here. Now for now, since I don't have anything I'm going to use for the cooler, I'm just going to stick this back in this pocket here for the time being. And let's see, I think I will put my work shoes in there, my work sneakers. So I'm going to put all my sneakers in here so I can just kind of grab it whenever I need real quickly. And so I have this Hyundai little kit. This is for my first car. I held onto it. Just gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna keep my rain boots down here to the side. We're gonna push this back. And yeah, so here's this. That's what we're gonna do for it now. Actually, let me slide this up so I can get this over. Slide this back on. And voila. So here it is. It fits perfectly fine on this. So if anyone does have like an SUV with this type of cover, this fits perfectly underneath it. We're gonna move on to the rogue stickers. Let's do that. So now on to installing the trash can. So we're gonna pop this open. What I'm gonna do first is install the trash bag inside the can. Hey, I'm like way up here. Sorry guys. Okay. Just so I get a little bit comfortable to do this. So, and it comes with little incisions here. Uh-oh. There we go. To get it open. If you want to cooperate. There we go. Okay, so we're going to get this open. There we go. Okay, this is so cute. Like little, you know, kind of like the trash bag you have in the house. Alright. I'm going to slide that in, like so. Just kind of fold it around like that. Boom. Close it. Now, for the clip piece, I'm going to get more. I'm going to get one more of this. So I put on my passenger side. And I don't know if I'm going to get the same type for the back seat or get one I can attach like to my middle console. And just have one in the middle, you know. So I'm gonna see, you know, where I'm at. Okay. So see right here, they kind of have this incision there, this little opening to slide in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sit in, and I'm gonna just pop it right here. Okay. And yeah, so now I can throw a little trash, little straws. So let's do his first trash throw away. And then I possibly will just store this for the time being in my middle console right here. So now, getting towards the end of the video, we're gonna do the steering wheel install. Okay. So I have my lovely assistant who's going to install the steering wheel for me. Okay, so I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I know in my previous video someone did comment they want me to do kind of a startup sound and revving up the engine, so I will show that in the next footage, still in this video. But before that, still I just want to thank you for anyone who watched and you know, we're just interested and been here since the first video. And if anyone has any ideas or suggestions or what I should do next, because I'm not sure what I should do next, but I appreciate for the viewers, any likes, any new subscribers I get. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good one.